Nakajing syak patat jubor kajing u hybrid kershan bor karmudai haki reu transnam ublaja nala yeng men haka pratarik urisau araja arpusan badban lap ya kemet yap jong u haka khandai tarik urisau araja arpusan nakaliang uba prestun tensong usumbut menteri rangba kajela ula pentep banakaliang kibor pulet kiladap bantau ya ke special investigation team SIT ban toket ya keni kajing ja Habakran syakilat pathai kubor hakan nok pai sngi jongga khandai tari urisau araja arpusan uba prestun tensong ulaong banakaliang kipulet watla kidang ap ya kakai pot postmortem kabakadai kajing syak penyam Nolor kata ulaong ru bahlor kenu kajing ja omdei ban keno abet tangai ka sorkar bat ban benrap badai ban ai kajing hikai syaki Kmie ki kpa ban long ki Phikir ya laki Khun ki kti
Today ultimately the police team they found out the dead body of that kid, which is very painful, and immediately we sent the dead body to the hospital for the postmortem, and now we are waiting for the report of the postmortem. But of course, from the police side, though the report is awaited, it looks like a murder case. It looks like a murder case. So now the police is on the job. I'm very soon we will be able to come out to the breakthrough of this issue, and we will be able also to book the criminal, the concerned criminal who committed such a very unfortunate crime.
So, investigation team is formed?
Investigation team is under the leadership of the SP himself. SP is Kasim's. Here the investigation team is on.
So such cases are recurring again in the city?
Well, I think as of now, you know better. Because see, please understand one thing. You cannot just blame the government. Because so many people, any issue happen, they blame the government. But I personally feel that we need to also have a proper education to the parents. They need to take care of the kids. Why? How the kid was disappeared. So from the police side, we are trying our best to make sure that safety of the citizens of the state is always there. But as far as criminal activities happen, I think you cannot say that the lapses happen just because of the police force. So my appeal to all the concerned is, let us also take care of our children, or let us also be little more preventive of ourselves, because nowadays you really don't know much what is going to happen. So I would like to request all the concerned to make sure that wherever you go or whatever you do, you need to also understand whether this is safe or not.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya